Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use a VPN. If you are using any iPhone or any Android and you want to use a VPN, so let's see how can you do that. So very first, you just have to simply open your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to go for search and search for VPN, and you'll get a lot of VPNs here. You just have to select anyone which you want to download or install. I have already installed this one on my phone, so you just have to open it. And here, if you find any update, you just have to try to update that. After updating, you have to check if the app has been installed or not. So you see that VPN has been installed. So just wait for it until it updates. So after updating or installing the VPN, you just have to simply tap on that and your VPN will be open. Here you have to simply try to connect with a VPN. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to select if you want to get a premium version, so you can easily select any offer or any bundle from here, but I'm going to select proceed with ads. And here you just have to select location and select any server with which you want to connect. So let's say I'm going to select France from here, and it will start it connected. So as you can see that the VPN has not connected. Now you can easily access the website or any app which you want to use after connecting with VPN. So once you have done, you just have to go back or open your VPN, and here you just have to tap on this power option, and your VPN will be disconnected. So it might be that you will get any ad. So after skipping the ad, your VPN will be disconnected. So in this way, you can easily use VPN and your iPhone or any Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.